Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Google Finance application. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over to the Play Store and search for Google Finance and make sure that you install the correct application. Simply install that and you should see the open button. Click on open and then you'll be able to see this interface loaded in front of you. So we have three sections at the bottom. First is markets, then we have this list, and then we have this history. So first is markets over here, and you can see all of the markets at the top to choose from. We have US, we have Europe, we have Asia, we have Latin America, we have some currencies, crypto, and futures. So you can see the market time, like some European markets are open. The US market closes in 4 hours, 12 minutes. The Asia market is typically closed because it's night over here. So you can see all of that over here, and you can just check out all of the updates and news and all of the upcoming earnings within Google Finance. And in order to add a list to follow, you can click on list at the bottom, and then you gotta create a new list. In order to create one, you gotta click on this plus icon right next to lists. Here, you gotta give your list a name. For example, I'm gonna give it name such as my list, and then click on create button. And then you should see your list appear over here. Right now it says nothing is in this list. So you gotta add symbols. You gotta click on this button, add symbols, and you gotta search for any symbol that you want to do. So I'm gonna search for EUR, and here you can see we have is European Lithium Limited. We have some Japanese yen, United States dollar, Thai baht, and South African rand. So I'm gonna go with European Lithium Limited. Simply click on this plus icon right next to it and click on done. And now it says EUR added to the list. And here is EUR. You can click on that and you can follow all of the market over here. Like the market was opened on 0.29 and the all-time highest is 0.30. The lowest was 0.28. The market cap was 509 million. And you can view all of them over here just like that. You can add some more currencies within your watch list. And you can click on this AI button over here. You can ask it questions. Instead of going through the markets yourself, you can ask AI to summarize everything for you. It's going to give you all of the trending currencies and everything that you want to know. AI is going to answer it for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And that's how you can use the Google Finance application.